evening, my viewers. Happy Sunday. My name is Jonathan. You are welcome to my channel, Jonathan Class. Today, we are going to start our do-it-yourself classes. In these classes, I will be teaching you things you can do for yourself. There are so many things you can do for yourself without necessarily needing the help of a technician. Now, to start this class, we are going to start with what you are seeing here. This is a cutout fuse. Now, what is a cutout fuse? Now, this is what you find in almost all the buildings that make use of three-phase power supply. Now, why do we need a cutout fuse? We need a cutout fuse in order to supply light power, three-phase power to the building. Let's say to supply single-phase power to the building using three-phase power supplies. Now, there are buildings where we have three-phase changeovers. Now, three-phase changeovers, three-phase distribution boards. Three-phase distribution boards have more power to handle loads than single-phase distribution board. Now, but the problem with three-phase distribution board is that if you take live wires from the NEPA or PSCN supply directly to that distribution board, what happens is that anytime there is no power in any of these phases, what happens is that that part of the building will be out of power. Remember, three-phase power distribution board supplies power to different parts of the building. So anytime there is no power in one of the phases, I know that in this part of the world where we have issues with transformers, there's possibility that there will not be power in one of the phases. So instead of taking three-phase power directly to the distribution board, it's better to split it here with a cutout fuse. Yes. Split here with a cutout fuse. Then, instead of taking three-phase power supply, you now take one phase to the distribution board. Then at the distribution board, you can now loop the power to that single phase power to other phases, other parts of the buildings. So it's better done that way than just taking three-phase to the distribution board. Now, how is this done? Now, this is safe. What you just need is your insulated glove and your safety boots. You are good to go. For somebody like me, I'll be very careful, even if without my gloves, I'll be very careful not to touch a live wire. So, but for your safety, wear your glove and your safety boot. Safety boot is very important. Now, what you do is, this is a tester. How do you install this? The first thing you do is to get a meter board. Install your meter board on your wall. Then install these three cutout fuses. Go and buy it. Install these three cutout fuses. Now, bring the three phases from the main supply, NEPA or PSCN. Check first of all, ensure that it is live wires. Of course, the three wires coming from mains supply. There are 4 wires coming. 3 is live, red, yellow, and blue. The last one is neutral. You must use tester to know out of these 4, the 3 that are live wires. And of course, we have red. Red is hot, the most powerful live wire. So what you do is use your tester, check the wires. If if you check the wires with your meter, you have the tester will show red. Just like if you look at this carefully, let me see. If you look at this carefully, you see a red light on there, though it may not be too clear, but there is a red light in this tester. This is live. Check the other one. There's also red light in this tester. This is live also. There's also red light in this tester, and this is live also. That means that the other one will be neutral. Now, you can install the live wire up or down, but for this one here, the live wires are installed down. And install the live wires and make sure the screwdriver you're using to screw is insulated, very well insulated, so that power does not pass through the metal part of the screwdriver to you. So it must be fully insulated screwdriver. So install the live wires down. Then at the top. Now remember, there is two wires coming from your building. Two wires. Assuming you have looked your distribution board there, so it's going to be two wires. One will be live and one will be what? Neutral. Now take the live wire from your load, either coming from your distribution board or your changeover. Now take it here, the live wire. Take it here. Now, then at the up, cut some piece of wire of the same area with the load wire. Cut it, then loop. Put at that place you put the first cutout phase where you put the output. This output where you put the load wire. Join it with that wire you have cut. That's called a looping wire. You're going to use it to loop the other cutout pieces. Now, join it together with that load wire. Then move that wire to the output of the next cutout fuse. Put it at the output. Then at that same output, cut out another wire. Loop that second output, cutout fuse output, to the last cutout fuse output. This side is the input. The other side is the output. Now, what that does is that anytime there is no power in this one, assuming there is no power in this changeover, in this cutout fuse, when you take this is an example of this fuse. This is an example of this fuse here. It has a wire, a fuse wire connecting the input to the output. So this is how the fuse looks like. So now, anytime there's no power in this one, you pull this out. When you pull it out and put it here, now it takes power from the input and put it to the output. Now, because that this wire has been looped together with the first one, the power is being transferred from that looping wire to where the load wire is. So the load wire takes the power to the building. Assuming there is no power in this one too, because the two of them are looped at the output. When you put it here, power is taken from here to this, to the output that has already been looped. The power goes to this place, because this one is also looped with the last one. It takes power here, then it takes power to the load. It takes power to the load. So that's how it is. So for the neutral wire, you know that there is the load, the wire that is coming from the load has live and neutral. Now the neutral wire, I know that for your load to work, there must be neutral and there must be live. So the neutral wire of the main supply, NEPA or PSCN, will be joined together with the neutral wire of the load. If you don't want to do it that way, you can get another fuse like this and install it. You bring a load, the wire, the neutral wire from the load at the output, then the neutral wire from PSCN will be the input, so which will complete the circuit. So, but you must be careful not to put this fuse at two phases, inside two phases at any point in time. If you do it, there's going to be disaster. That's why it's always one at a time. So even if you want to, maybe you have spare, you want to put it here, also you must make sure that this fuse wire is not there, because this is what makes a connection from the input to the output. So this must not be there. Even if you want to put this, you have to be there for safety, so that maybe if this one have problem, you can use this. But make sure at that time that this wire is not there. That will serve as a connection from the input to the output. So it's very easy. It's very easy to do this. So this is how a cutout fuse works, and it's a very simple thing to install in your houses. Now, thank you. We are done with our class for today. This is the first lecture in our do-it-yourself class. In this class, I'll be showing you so many things you can do for yourself. In this class, we'll look at how you are going to wire your houses, different methods of wiring your houses. And in this class, I'll be showing you how you're going to install solar in your houses. These are very simple things you can do for yourself. I'm going to be showing you how you connect your switches, your sockets, and I will also be teaching you how you're going to fix your generators at home. So this do-it-yourself class is fully packed, where you gain a lot of knowledge. So if you appreciate this channel and you like what I'm doing, there are some things you do for me. I would like you to like this page, subscribe to my channel, and share so that others can also benefit from this knowledge. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you, and God bless you.